And as your confidence grows, so will your garden. Perhaps next year you'll add another container. Maybe you'll plant a small herb bed beside the kitchen. You might create a wonderful border with hardy fuchsias, hydrangeas and lavender, or grow a few more vegetables for the family table. Before long, you'll find yourself looking forward to each new season, planning what to grow next and enjoying the simple pleasure of watching your garden change throughout the year. Remember, gardening isn't about creating a show garden overnight. It's about creating a space that brings you happiness, a place you can relax, a place where wildlife is welcome, a place that reflects your own personality. Whether you're growing one pot of herbs on a balcony or transforming an entire back garden, every gardener starts with that first plant. So don't wait for everything to be perfect. Visit your local garden centre. Choose a few plants you love. Get your hands in the soil and enjoy every moment of the journey. I hope this guide has shown you that gardening really is something anyone can enjoy. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future gardening guides. And even though this guide is based around Toronto and the surrounding areas, this could apply to anywhere. So just take the same principles and work with them. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.